Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to edit a pins board on Pinterest with the latest update. Whether you want to reorganize your pins or just tidy up your profile, this step-by-step walkthrough will help you do it smoothly. First, open the Pinterest app and head straight to your profile. Once you're there, tap on the Pins tab to see all the pins you've saved. This is where the magic happens. Next, find the pin you want to move or edit. Instead of just tapping it, long press on that pin. This action will bring up a menu with several options. From the menu, tap on Edit. This will open the editing screen where you can make changes to your pin's details. Now, look for the section labeled Board. Tap on it, and you'll see a list of all the boards you've created. Simply choose the new board where you want to move your pin. This is great for keeping your content organized and easy to find. After selecting the new board, don't forget to tap Done to save your changes. This ensures your pin is now neatly placed in the right spot. And that's it. You've successfully edited your pins board on Pinterest. This simple update helps you keep your profile clean and your pins perfectly categorized. Remember, organizing your pins not only makes your profile look better, but also helps you and your followers find inspiration faster. So take a few minutes to tidy up your boards regularly. Thanks for watching this quick tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow Pinterest tips and tricks. Happy pinning!